So, you want to know how to play Fortnite? Well, listen to the giant talking banana. He will guide you. So, this is the lobby. Everyone's waiting around so they can get into a game and instantly die. Now this is the battle bus. This is how we drop down into this beautiful island. I know, a bus attached to a hot air balloon. Very realistic. Now you can see we got somebody that's been following me here, which is not good because he's trying to steal my llama. I'm trying to get to this llama because there's usually some pretty good weapons inside of here if you can get it open. Oh, hello! How are you? And there's nothing inside of it. Congratulations, we're both going to die. Okay, so the best thing to do when you've lost the high ground is to kind of retreat so you can get the high ground back. And okay, that's 100. Okay. Skill, nothing but skill. Alright. Now, as you can see, I'm going back to heal myself up with this med kit you can pick up here. Now, since we had a little bit of a sidetrack from that guy attacking my llama, we don't have time to go into that town because this circle is where we have to be before the storm closes in, or else we're going to take a bunch of damage, and that's not good. Make sure you clean up your inventory by going ahead and dropping any pieces of trash you have in the local river. I hate you. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. The giant talking banana thanks you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to let me know down below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one, but until then, bye-bye.